What's going on, guys? Matt here with another video. In today's video we are going to be installing the American Adventure Lab Molle door panels for your Jeep JL. We make these for the JT, they work for the JT as well as they make them for the JK as well. Super easy installation. This should take no more than 10 minutes. All you gotta do is cut out the old one with an X-Acto knife. Just cut it along there, pull out the threads. As you can see, the main reason I'm replacing it is because that's ridiculous. You couldn't store anything in there even if you wanted to. So I'm gonna get rid of this ugly looking one, and then theirs is nice. It comes, you can either get it powder coated from them or in just raw metal. I got mine powder coated here in Arizona. So yeah, super simple. Mounts up there nice and high and tight. Get rid of this saggy thing that's worthless. So without further ado, let's start cutting this, and then we'll get this bolted on. Should take you no more than 5 minutes. So just gonna kind of tight. Yeah, that's actually working really well. Boom. Okay. Push that in there. You won't see that anyways. So just kind of pull it tight and then just kind of saw at it a little bit. That seemed to work pretty well. So what I'm going to do, mind the Jeep being dirty, I'm just going to spray this all down, have it clean, because for the most part, once you put these on, you're really not. Looks good. May have gone a little too high. So it's going into plastic, so excuse me. Knock it off, sir. Co-pilot's getting a little anxious. So as you can see, boom, just like that. Those look great. Super easy install. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Should be similar process. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. All you need is a Phillips head and an X-Acto knife, and get these things installed and get rid of those flappy, crappy ones from Jeep. So let's do the other side. nice thing about this, there's no pre-designed layout or holes, so you can kind of put it in however you like. Obviously it's meant to go a certain way, but you don't have to be too cautious, right? It's a little over there, a little over there. It all works. Looks good. There you go. No more than 10 minutes. Easy peasy. It only took me 15 because I'm having to film. So, nonetheless, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you do this to your car and get rid of those stupid rubber-ons, this garbage right on the ground? I think that came out absolutely stellar. Diego agrees as he walks away. He's over my crap today already. Looks good. If you have any questions, lots more to come. As you can see, the Jeep is absolutely filthy. Took it out off-roading, so got some off-roading content. Hopefully a video put together that here in a little bit. Been a little bit stuff going on in personal life, so I haven't been making videos, but now that things are kind of settling down in my life, I'm excited to get back in front of the camera and hopefully start making some more content for you guys again, mostly with the Jeep, off-roading, camping, all that kind of fun stuff. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Appreciate you sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.